Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here. So, in this tutorial, we're gonna learn about include method in the typed array. So, what we're gonna do, as you know, we will create a const uint 8 and new uint 8 array. The A will be big though. So after that, what we're gonna do is inside the we will pass 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. When you're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console uint 8, use the dot method and includes and now how are we gonna check that? Just pass that. It's gonna check it for us. Is that inside that? Yeah, true. So this is what it does. 30, 50, anything, it's a true. If we put like 70, it's not inside that, but if we put that, it's gonna say false. As you know, what include does is it's like has method. If it is inside that, it's gonna say true. If it's not, it's gonna say false, as you know. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.